Leveling surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and precision of construction projects in this region of Delhi. With their expertise in measuring and determining the elevation and contour of the land, leveling surveyors contribute to the successful execution of various construction and infrastructure projects. Their primary objective is to establish a level reference point, which is essential for laying foundations, constructing buildings, roads, and drainage systems. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, these surveyors are able to provide accurate data that helps architects, engineers, and contractors make informed decisions about the design and execution of their projects. The process of leveling involves measuring the vertical distance between different points on the ground to determine their elevation. Leveling surveyors in Mehrauli use instruments such as electronic levels, total stations, and laser levels to carry out these measurements with precision. They also rely on benchmark points that have known elevations to establish a reference point for their measurements. This ensures that all measurements are consistent and reliable. By conducting a thorough analysis of the topography and terrain of the area, leveling surveyors can identify any potential challenges or obstacles that may need to be addressed during the construction process. Mehrauli, being a historical area with ancient structures and diverse landscapes, requires specialized knowledge and skills from leveling surveyors. They must be familiar with the unique characteristics of the land in order to accurately assess its suitability for construction projects. This includes understanding the geological composition, soil stability, and drainage patterns of the area. Infrastructure, such as roads or drainage systems. Leveling surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the construction and design industry. They are responsible for measuring and determining the elevation and height differences of the land and structures in the area. This information is vital for architects, engineers, and builders to ensure accurate and safe construction projects. Leveling surveyors use various equipment and techniques to establish precise measurements, such as leveling instruments, theodolites, and GPS technology. Their expertise helps in creating detailed topographic maps, contour lines, and profiles of the land, assisting in the planning and design process. Mehrauli, a historical neighborhood in Delhi, India, has a diverse range of architectural designs and structures. From ancient monuments to modern buildings, leveling surveyors in Mehrauli are responsible for ensuring that these structures are built on a level surface. They perform surveys to determine the existing elevation of the land and make necessary adjustments to ensure stability and accuracy in construction projects. By conducting detailed measurements and analysis, leveling surveyors